Huh?
You wanna go toe to toe? You wanna go toe to toe? You wanna go toe to toe? Hold your hand. You wanna go toe to toe?
I'm getting the fuck out of here.
Hey! You need to fucking tell Sonny how to prepare a set of pussy lips.
Not prepared. a pair of pussy lips.
Like the
some
fucking
garlic,
food
some
channel.
cabbage.
Check it out.
This is how you do it right here. Cabbage,
You take the pussy lips and you cut them off.
pepper.
You cut them.
Fuck.
You cut them and you put you got a nice hot pan of butter.
Kentucky fry them shits.
And you simply saute pussy lips. That's how you do it.
What do you serve them with? What kind of wine do you serve them with?
Wine?
Rice.
Yeah.
Wine. So you gotta go with sangria all the way. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Kevin? What?
Hey, fuck that.
You call me a fucking fury?
Sounds like straight ice, dick! Dumb bitch!
Don't get me
Now
on
you
film.
roughed out the fucking
Don't get me on
video
film. You doing this on live video?
Yeah.
I'm on live video right now. Yeah? Well, you better put this on your
I make it.
dude, you're gonna get some shit.
Say something.
Focus on his
If
head.
I got a girlfriend,
Huh?
like I'll
Focus on his head.
Him?
Yeah.
And realized that the prices were so much lower than what we had been expecting, and then what we were going to get was
Did
so
you
much
get it?
better. Learn why.
Did you get it?
Oh, I fucking got it.
none of that nonsense. Take it outside.
We got
Don't be like a little kid that got
Open this goddamn window.
For what? You gonna put all
You
of
want me to take it outside? Open the window.
You gonna throw me
Fine.
outside the fucking window?
Fine. In the bathroom! Go in the fucking bathroom and puke!
Drool on your foot.
Puke!
That's drool. Alright?
Go in the bathroom! That's not drool! That's yak!
God damn it, how did I yak?
Say you yak!
You wanna fight about this?
No!
I fucking drooled in your bedroom.
Clean it up!
In my bedroom.
Make a hole. He's gonna hurt. Make a hole.
No, don't do it. Seriously, Kevin, this is not the place to be a fucking dumbass. Don't do it. I like my fucking place.
I can prove myself that I can do it.
That's what I'm saying. Make a hole, man. He's gonna do it.
What the fuck was that? I did it.
Kevin already threw up on my floor.
The book.
Yeah, Kev puked on the floor.
The book clap trick.
No, there's no feet clapping. We're already trying to define where this smell comes from. You foot clapping is just adding to it.
That bitch is gonna come in here and take one smell and right back up to
She's like, oh my god, you guys been shitting on the floor in here?
I'm like, no.
You guys been shitting in there?
You're taking video? Oh, I like the flavor. You're fucking egging me on.